Hey there. Want to start investing without leaving your Bank of America account? Merrill Edge is Bank of America's investing platform, and accessing it is seamless through your online login. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. If you already have a Merrill Edge account, you can access it directly from your Bank of America online dashboard or mobile app. Look for the Investing or Merrill Edge tab. If you don't have an account, you can open one right there. This gives you a unified view of your banking and investing. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, and your Merrill Edge balances may count toward your Bank of America Preferred Rewards tier. My crucial pro tip? Leverage the Connected experience for rewards. If you enroll in the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, linking your Merrill Edge investment balances can qualify you for higher tiers, which earn you boosted credit card rewards and waived banking fees. That's how you create a powerful synergy between your everyday banking and your investment goals. Are you interested in keeping your banking and investing under one roof? Why or why not? Let me know below. For more guides on integrated financial management, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.